Packing for a trip can often feel like a daunting task, whether you're heading out on a weekend getaway or embarking on an extended vacation. Today, we'll explore the art of packing essentials, ensuring you have everything you need while avoiding the common pitfall of overpacking. So, let's dive into the world of smart packing. Firstly, it's crucial to understand the importance of a well thought out packing list. This list serves as your roadmap, guiding you through the maze of choices and helping you prioritize what truly needs to be in your suitcase. Start with the basics, clothing appropriate for the weather and duration of your trip. Consider versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched, allowing you to create multiple outfits from a limited selection. Next, consider the importance of footwear. Shoes can be bulky, so it's wise to choose multi-purpose pairs that suit different occasions. A comfortable pair for walking, perhaps some formal shoes if needed, and something for relaxation, like sandals or slippers, should usually suffice. Let's not forget about toiletries. The key is to remember the travel size rule, especially if you're flying. Many personal items like shampoo, conditioner, and body wash come in handy travel sizes. Invest in reusable silicone bottles for your preferred brands if needed. Additionally, remember a basic first aid kit, including necessary medications, to cater to minor health issues during your journey. In the realm of technology, only pack the essentials. Your phone, charger, and perhaps an e-reader or tablet for entertainment should be sufficient. Consider consolidating charging devices, such as using a universal adapter or a multi-port charger to save space. Moving on to travel documents, keeping them organized and readily accessible is vital. A dedicated pouch or organizer can help manage your passport, tickets, hotel reservations, and any other paperwork you might need. It's also a good idea to have digital backups stored safely on your devices or in the cloud. When it comes to added extras, think about items that enhance convenience and comfort. A reusable water bottle can be invaluable, providing a sustainable option for staying hydrated. A lightweight, compact towel could also come in handy, especially for impromptu beach trips or gym visits. And don't underestimate the value of a good book or a set of wireless earbuds to keep you entertained during downtime. Lastly, as you pack, adopt the mantra of layering and rolling. Layer your clothes in a way that maximizes space and minimizes wrinkles. Rolling garments is a time-tested method to optimize space, allowing you to fit more into your suitcase efficiently. As we conclude, remember that packing is as much about what you choose to leave behind as what you decide to take. The goal is to travel with a sense of freedom, unburdened by unnecessary weight, while still feeling prepared for the adventures that await. So, as you prepare for your next journey, embrace the power of essentials and travel light, travel smart. And there you have it, the art of packing essentials distilled into one concise guide. Here's to stress-free packing and joyous travels ahead.